Okay, so very good morning, all of you. Great. So now I can see full class. Okay, it's been a week. How was your holidays, by the way? You enjoyed. Very good. You go on enjoying in this way. At the end of 5 months, how many days you have attended the course? It is just 3 to 3.5 months. And after that, you should come to me and ask, where is the placement? Good. This is how you should enjoy. Anyhow, so before I start my topic, I want to ask you this. So today is Monday. You guys came, just to listen to my class with full of excitement. But I am starting this class in this way. On Saturday, mock was scheduled. Yes or no? Great. Let me put this list in front of you so that all of you can understand. For how many students the mock was scheduled? Yeah. So this was the list. I mean, the students for whom I have taken the mock. What you have taken, everything, it is there with me. But this is how it looks like. And if you notice there are a total of 12 students was scheduled at 10 o'clock. But it was literally shocking to me that out of 12, only 2 came for the interview. All of these names, I want you people to stand up. To start with, Mohammad Suhail, he attended. You sit. Next, Harshita Etchen, stand up. Harshita Etchen, she's not there. Rakshita, Manu, Sahana, Aishwarya, Harshita, Mary Rashmi, Sachin, Anusha, and Ankita. Out of all of these, only 4 came, huh? Okay, 5 people did not came to the mock. The students, all of these, should stand up. All of you stood? What's the problem? Why you did not see? It was told in the Slack, right? You're not seeing the messages in the Slack group? You're seeing. Don't tell me I'm not seeing. It is your problem. Because that is what we told. Whatever the information we are giving from the TAP Academy, it is you who should see. Every day you see Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can't see the messages from Slack. It's very important. Please sit. You are in your native. So you contacted with her when? On Saturday itself. Sit. You couldn't see. Okay. See, if this is how your commitment is towards this course, I cannot do anything. Because, please sit. Because when you came to this course, you asked me so many questions, right? Sir, this course is there, sir. This you will teach, sir. How many mocks you will take, sir? Every day, how many hours class, sir? 1.5 hours class, 3 hours class. Some of you are unable to attend. And this is the questions you're asking to me at the starting of this course. See, you will not do anything. And if you're thinking that great will happen by joining TAP Academy, absolutely no. Let me proceed further. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock is Manoj. He has attended. Tarun Babu. Tarun, who is Tarun here? Good. Prema. She's not there. Anand. Kiran. Ankita. Navya. Varun. Mokshit. Prajwal. Sandeep. Gururaj. Sachin. Nishant. Prithviraj. Akshata. Aishwarya. Arun Kumar. All of you please stand up. Okay, you sit down. What's the problem? Why you're not aware? Why you're not aware? It was informed in the Slack, right? You're not well. Okay. So, from Wednesday, the class starts, right? After Dasra. From Wednesday, you're not well? From Wednesday till Saturday, you're not well. Sit down. You're a native. Okay, sit down. Native. Good. Native. Very good. Native. Oh, awesome. What about you, my friend? You're not well on Saturday. Friday you came to the class. Looking at the list, fever came, huh? Then sit down. So you haven't attended the classes from past Wednesday. You're in A2 itself. Okay. So all of this I will highlight it and put in the red form so that after the course you'll come and meet me now. I will show you this list. Let me proceed further. At 12 o'clock, there are students. Because see, coming here, me teaching, there's absolutely no use. Absolutely no use. Because you are such kind of a students wherein you are not committed at all. What is the use of me coming here and telling the same thing again, and again? From day one, I'm telling you, do this. It is very good for you. You'll get placed as soon as possible. At the end, this is how your approach is. And you guys are the same students which will come after the course asking me that, where is the placement? I'll ask you the same question to you, what you did in this course. Have you not missed any of the classes here? Have you not attended all the mocks here? I will ask this question that time. This approach, see, you think that we don't have any time. Every Saturday, I should do recording for the YouTube. I should go to the BTM. I left it for the mock for you. You wasted my time. Forget about my time. You wasted your time, and every day you are doing the same. Wasting your time. Why? You went to home just to enjoy. Dasra is over, right? First, again holiday. 11th, Deepavali, again holiday. Okay? Let me tell you when is the holiday so that you can plan your holidays, right? So, Tuesday it is holiday. We are planning to give holiday on Monday also. Monday, Tuesday is holiday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is holiday, okay? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you put again holiday. So that Saturday, Sunday, again you will get it. You do the same way. November is gone. December is also gone. Because in December, lot of marriages are there. Yes or no? You go. Enjoy again. Christmas will come. Again holiday. You put some leaves. Again holiday. December gone. Your course is gone. What you have learned? Nothing. And after that, you will come to me again. Where is the placement? This is how your approach is. You know what is the things is happening in the industry now? You think that getting into the IT industry is just a cakewalk for you. If that is the case, why are you attending this course? IT industry has become ruthless. You know this? Ruthless. You think that only 2 rounds is there, 3 rounds is there, you can just go and you can speak and you get placed. This is how. 2 minimum programming rounds are there. If I come and ask you the question here, no one will open the mouth. And when you go for an interview, the same question is asked, you can't open your mouth. And why these mocks are conducted? Just to make yourself get used to these interviews. See, the students who have attended the mock, and what I have told them, you ask them. What questions I asked them, you ask them. They are unable to tell the answer. Then I told them, hey, this is not how you should answer. This is how you should answer. Your communication skills is not good. Please improve it. Your technical skills is good, but you are unable to express it. Make sure every day you please practice it. Programming, most of them were not good. I told them that, hey, you have to work. All these programs are very important. They did the mistake. That is not at all a problem for me. I will guide them. I will hold their hand till they get placed. Because those students are committed students. I will hold their hands till the last. But I will not hold the hands for such students who are not serious about their life. Why should I should be serious about your life? Tell me. Why? Because you yourself are not serious. Why I should be? Because you think this course is like you have just thrown the money and you are challenging me that, hey, make me get placed. And to get you placed, what all things has to be done? All of that things I should do. And that is what I'm doing every single day. And at the end, if you are not doing it, there is a big question mark in your mind you should ask every day that, will you get placed in the next coming days? Because at the end of the day, placement is very important, job is very important, and that is why you're here. Because seriously, it disappointed me a lot on Saturday. Serious disappointment. Because there are total of these many students we have scheduled. How many students? 47. Out of that, mere 8 students came. 8. 8. What is this then? There are so many batches I have taken the mock, and these kind of students I haven't seen. Mock means exactly proper timing with the proper formals at the right time. All of them. All of them. And for this batch, only 8 out of 47. It disappointed me a lot. Complete disappointment on Saturday. And that is why this is how Monday looks like. See, you guys are not giving me my salary. My salary every day at right point, 30th or 31st it will come. End of the day, your life, you decide what you want to become in the next coming days. If this is how your behavior is, this is how your approach is towards your course, you decide. You decide. Harish, Darshan, Pooja, Dhanushri, Gopi, Syed Akram, Suprita, Tanuja. See, I don't want to read the names. Who did not attend it? Please stand up. Your names are there here, but you did not attend it. Stand up. What's your problem? You saw this message yesterday. WhatsApp you'll see every day. WhatsApp also you'll not see. Mobile only you'll not see. Mobile you will see. What do you see in mobile? Huh? You are in native. You are in native. 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 What is the encapsulation? This is how you should answer. Is it mandatory to give constructor as public? No. Can I give third statement as this call? Can I give? Can I give? No. Can I give? Can I give? What is a constructor? What are the types of constructors? Why you did not came to the mock first of all? You are a native. Okay. Encapsulation is very important. And these are the questions. Fix the glass. You see. You decide. Sit. Other than that, all of you stood up. Huh? Okay. See, I do my work because that is what my father taught me. That you go, you do the best for the students. End of the day, it is their life. They should have that seriousness. And that is what I will do from now onwards. I will not tell anything from now onwards. Okay? How to do, what to do, I will not do anything. I will come, I will teach, I will go. That's it. Awesome. Okay. So let us start with our brand new topic today. Which is the brand new topic, sir, if you ask me. Watch it. Okay. So I told you back then on Friday that today we are going to start with a brand new topic. In the previous class we understood about constructors, the type of constructors, constructor chaining, that is two types of constructor chaining. One is local chaining and chaining from one class to another class. Local chaining is achieved using one call. Which call is that? This call. And chaining from one class to another class will see it in a concept known as inheritance. And in today's class, we will try to understand a very important topic in Java. Most of the times in interviews, they will ask you, what is that? Static is the name of the concept. What is this static, sir? Before I teach you, let me build one foundation. If you understand this, understanding static is not at all a big deal. What you are trying to tell, sir? Watch it. So what I will do, I will create one program. And this program, this is how it is looking like. I'll create one class. The name of the class is car. You have you have one variable that is name, and I have one method known as getName. And this getName will get me that name. And after that, you have the main method. In the main method, I'm creating the object of the car, and I'm just calling this getName method in this way. Very good. This is my class. And what I will do, this entire thing, I will put it inside one file. Till now, what was the name you have given to this file? What name? You forget about code. Forget about it. See, I'm not speaking about segment. You just think that you are coding this program in a notepad. Your program is ready. What do you used to give the name for this file? What is that? .java is the extension. What name you used to give? Class name. What class name you used to give? Whatever the class name is there, the same class name you used to give. Am I correct? What's this? If you notice here in code.java, you have two classes here. First class is car. The second class is demo. What is the name of the class I can give there? It is demo.java. Why? Because your main method is there in the demo, but that is not right. Then what I can do, sir, you can give any name you want. It is not mandatorily as demo. And that is why I am giving a brand new name. And what is the name? It is code.java. Let me repeat this. This is my program, and what name you can give to this file is what you want you can give, absolutely no problem. Very good. Next word. Now this program is in high level language. If my microprocessor has to execute this 100%, this fellow should be converted. To convert this, I'm having one guy and his name is this. Who is he, sir? He is a compiler, Java compiler. This Java compiler will take this entire file. If I have to give that file to my compiler, what is the command you will get? Java C, what is the name of the program? Code.java. If you do this, this entire program you are giving it to a compiler like this. And now, this compiler will give me the output. What output it will give? What output it will give? It will give output as byte codes. But my question to you is, byte codes will be present in which file? It is a dot class file, outstanding. And my question to you now is, how many dot class files are getting created here? How many? It totally depends on how many classes you have created there. How many classes you have created there? 2 classes, and that is why 2 dot class files are getting created. Really, sir? Watch it. This compiler will give me 2 dot classes. That is number 1, car dot class, because you have the first class as what? Car. Very good. You will get another dot class file, and this is how I am representing. This is what? Demo dot class. And you got that. It is because of him. Very good. Now, when you go here and see inside this dot class file, what you see is just byte codes. Fantastic. Now tell me, if I take this dot class file and if I give it to my microprocessor, will I get the output? Will you get the output? Absolutely no. Why is that? Why is that? So 100%, these are byte codes, but microprocessor need machine level language. So I need a JVM now. Where is your JVM, sir? Let me push this that side. Awesome. And now, let me give my JVM here. Now, to this JVM, I should give byte codes. If you notice here, byte codes are here, byte codes are here. Which one I should give then? Very simple. You should see where is your main method. Where is your main method? Which class? Demo. And that is why demo.class, you should give it to JVM. Oh really, sir? Watch it. Demo.class, I will give it to JVM. And how you do it? Java demo.class you should not give. That I already taught. Very good. Now this demo.class, 100% you are giving it to JVM, and 100% JVM will give me what? Machine level language. And this machine level language is 100% loaded on the RAM. And on the RAM, where, sir? On the RAM there is one space. Where is the space? JRE. Inside JRE, you have 4 segments. Which are those segments? Code segment, static segment, heap segment, and 100% you have stack segment also. And now, this machine level language is loaded. Where it is getting loaded, sir? It is getting loaded inside the code segment, and now it will execute. Sensing this much? Yes or no? Is there any doubt? No doubt. What's this? Now, it is loaded on that JRE. Let me bring the JRE now. How is that, sir? I will remove this. And this is how my JRE is looking like. In the JRE, you have this. What is that, sir? Just a minute. Okay. You have a code segment. And inside the code segment, you have a machine level language. But that machine level language, I cannot put it here, show you, and explain how it will work. So that is why, whatever the code I am putting here, this will be in the form of English itself for your understanding purpose. But in the real world, it will be in the form of machine level language. Is that clear? Very good. So now, this will come and sit. 100% you have a stack segment. You have this segment also, heap segment. You have this segment also. Who is that, sir? If you ask me, he is a static segment. And whatever the static segment, I am showing it to you. This static segment is having another name. What is that name, sir? This static segment, you can call it as method area. 100%. You can call him as method area, and that is what I am showing it to you. And this method area, you can also call it as what? Meta space. So these are the different names for a static segment. And now some students will ask me, sir, method area means methods are present there? Don't go by the name. Absolutely no. But the name is method area, but inside static segment or a method area, what is getting stored, I will tell you, but at this point of time, method area will not store any methods here. Don't go by the name. Hey, why, sir? See, if I have to tell you that, you know Hiroshima and Nagasaki? You know, so these are the two beautiful cities of Japan. And these two cities got destroyed by two atom bombs. And one of the atom bomb name, you know what is the name of one atom bomb? A little boy. Look at the name, little boy. But this little boy has been just thrown on the city Hiroshima, and the entire Hiroshima is gone, just a blink of an eye. That is why ever don't go by the name. Okay. See, like this, there is one place, okay, in India, and the name of the place is Smashana Nagari. What is the name? Smashana. What is Smashana? Graveyard. So looking at this, you will feel that this city is completely graveyard. But if you go there, one of the beautiful villages in the entire India. That is why don't go by the name. Got this, all of you? Very good. The same thing here also. Don't go by the name. If you think that method area means only methods are present here, absolutely no. It's just the name. Got this, all of you? Outstanding. What's this? So all of these segments are ready in my JRE. This is my JRE and my segments are ready. Watch it. Now, 100%, I'm having my code now. Where is your code, sir? Watch it. So now my machine level language, that is my code, will come and sit inside my code segment. This is my code. Actually, this is machine level language. For your understanding purpose, I put it in the form of English. Very good. Next word, sir. See, till now, I was telling you one story. What is that story, sir, if you ask me? The story was, I always used to tell you that operating system will look at this main method. Am I correct? That was not right. Why, sir? Because still now whatever I have told, it is just a teaser. It was just a teaser. And today I will show you a trailer of Java. And in the next coming days, in a concept known as multi-threading, I will show you the entire movie of Java. Sir, why like this, sir? This is how a movie is released, right? First one is motion picture. Next one is a teaser. Next one is a trailer. And after that, the entire movie. The same thing for my Java also. Because I cannot teach you at the starting itself inside out of Java, because from next year onwards you will not come to the class. And that is why where, what to be taught at what time, I know. And today I am giving you the trailer of Java. What is that, sir? Operating system will look at this main method. This is not exactly the story. What is the story, sir, then? Watch it. There is one guy. This guy will represent him in this way. Who is he, sir? He's an operating system. Operating system will contact one person who know how to execute Java program. Who is that, sir, if you ask me? That fellow, I will represent him in this way, and he is none other than JVM. And now JVM will 100% look at this main method, and who will execute? JVM will execute your main method and all the lines of this Java, not your operating system. But your execution starts from operating system, but he will not execute. Who will execute? JVM. Got this, all of you? Very good. Now with this story, let me proceed further. and please do watch it. What I will do now is, my JVM is executing my main method. See, my main method is executing. He will come to the line number 1, he will see assignment. Assignment means right side. Right side means new. New means again JVM is there. Okay, so main means first the start frame is getting created because you are calling the main method. Am I correct? Very good. So after creating the start frame, it will come here. An assignment, right side, new means JVM is there. Here we go. Now what JVM will do is, JVM should create the object of the car now. If JVM should create the object of the car, he need a blueprint of that car. Means he need a class known as car. And what JVM will do is, JVM will go to the code segment and see for a car class. Code segment it will see. Now, JVM will come and see the code segment. Do you have a car class here? No. If no, then how he can create the object of the car? Because design is only not there, blueprint is only not there, class is only not there. Then what it will do, sir? Now JVM will see that, oh, car class is not there. Then he will contact his best friend. His best friend he will contact. Sir, who is the best friend of JVM, sir? Here we go. Best friend, where are you? Come. Oh, here we go. Who is he, sir? He is a class loader. He is the best friend of JVM. JVM will tell, hey class loader, I need a car. Can you please get it? And he is the best friend. He'll never tell no. Oh really? Just a minute, I will do it for you. What class loader will do is, class loader will go and see that there is a car.class. And car.class, it will give to JVM. JVM will convert the .class file into zeros and ones, and now it will load it, and here we go. Class car will definitely come there. And that is what I'm showing it to you. Getting this much? Great. So now JVM is having this class known as car. Looking at this, it will create an object. Where it will create an object, sir? Inside heap segment, it will create a brand new object. And inside this object, what I'm having, sir, if you ask me, whatever a car class is having, that is what your object is having. This is my object, that 100%. You have a name and you have get name also. Very good. And inside that name, have you given anything there? No. If you haven't given, then who will give? Yes, that is your JVM will give. JVM will give the value as what? Null. Very good. You have get name also. Please visualize it. Right side is over. It will give me what? Address. Who will catch it? C will catch it. C is a reference variable. Its place is here, and 100%, 1000 will come and sit. It is referring to that. And after that, what you're doing? You're calling C.getName. C means 1000. Hey, get me the name. What is the name? Null is what you will get. Actually speaking, this is how Java will work. Is that completely clear? Let me repeat this once again. Please watch it. To start with, your program can have any number of classes, but the name of this file, you can give any name. It can be your name, it can be code, it can be any name. Now, this program, if you are giving it to this fellow, who is that, sir, if you ask me? Please watch it. This is your program. Let me redo this. This is your program. 100%. This program is having two classes. The name of the first class is car, and the name of the next class is what? Demo. This is my program. And now this program is present inside one file, and the name of this file can be anything. And now I'm giving it as what? Code. So this program you should give it to one guy. Who is he? Java compiler. And Java compiler will give me two .class files. Why two .class files? Because you have two classes there. Sir, if I'm having 5 classes, how many .class files? 5. If you have one class there, how many .class? Only one. The number of .class file, it totally depends on how many classes you have given in your program. Very good. You have two dot classes, and first name is car dot class. The second fellow's name is what? Demo dot class. Very good. And inside this, you have 100% bytecodes. Very good. Now, can I give these bytecodes directly to my microprocessor? Absolutely no. And that is why what I will do is, I have to get my JVM. Now question arises, whom you will give to JVM? Is it car or a demo? Very simple. You look, where is your main method? Where is your main method? Inside demo, you give the demo to JVM. How you will do it, sir? Very simple. I'll come to my JVM and tell that, hey Java, and I'll give it as what? Demo. And 100% JVM will take this demo.class. This is demo.class. It will take it and convert into what, sir, if you ask me, it is machine level language. And this machine level language is loaded on a memory. Which memory, sir? RAM. And inside my RAM, there is one space or one region. And this region, we call it as JRE. And inside this region, you have 4 segments followed by, which are those? Code segment, static segment, heap segment, and stack segment. These are the segments. And now, this machine level language will be loaded now. Where it will be loaded, sir, if you ask me, this will be loaded inside the code segment, because that is the code. And now, that is what I am showing it to you in a zooming way. What is that, sir? You have this segment. Which segment is that, sir? This is my code segment. This is your static segment. And static segment is having so many names. What is that? Method area as well as meta space. These are the names. Because in interviews, what they will ask, you never know. They'll ask you what is method area, what is meta space, what is static segment also they might ask you. Awesome. Now you have another segment now. Which is the segment, sir? This is stack segment. You have another segment. And what is this segment if you ask me? This is my heap segment. And now the code will come and sit here. And what code will come and sit, sir? This machine level language only will come and sit. But I cannot show you the machine level language there and explain it to you. And that is why I'm writing in the form of English itself. You have a class. The name of the class is what? Demo. You have a main method. Very good. Followed by all the lines you have. Now, I should start executing this. So for that, operating system is there. Operating system will contact JVM, and JVM will start executing from the main method. When main method is getting called, there will be a stack frame which is getting called, and that is what I am representing there. Because when you call a method, stack frame will get created, right? Because this I already taught you. Very good. After that, you are creating one object. Whose object? Car. What JVM will do is, JVM to create the car object, it will see and look for a car class inside the code segment. Do you have the car class there? No. So that is why what JVM will do is, JVM is in problem. And that is why when problems are there, who will come, sir? That is friends. And there is one friend of JVM, that is class loader. And class loader, JVM will tell, hey, I need car class, please bring it to me. 100% class loader will go and see that there is a car here. And this car is taken by the class loader, and this class loader will take this car.class and give it to my JVM like this. And now this JVM will take that car.class and convert into what? Machine level language. And this machine level language is loaded inside where? Code segment, and that code segment I am showing it to you there. And inside the code segment, what I will get, sir, inside this, what you will get is car class. Now you have a car inside the code segment wherein JVM can easily see it. When he can see the car class, 100% he will create the object, and rest of the story you know. Getting this much how it will work, and this is how the Java will work. Very good. So whatever I have represented in a theoretical way, Let us do this in a practical way and see, is this really happens in my Java also in my computer? Let us see. Watch it. So for that, I have to get my notepad. Let me get my notepad, but before that, let me get something for you now. Okay. So I will go here and get my notepad. Where is your notepad, sir? This is my notepad. Let me get it. Okay. This is my notepad. And now, let me start coding my Java program. How is that? First one is class. The name of the class is car. I'll open the bracket, close it. I will give my first variable as name and what type it is. String. Very good. I will come here and I will give one method and the name of the method is getName. Very good. This getName method will return me something. What it will return, sir? It will return a name. Very good. Very good, sir. Next one. Now I should give the return type. What is the return type there? It is string. This is the opening of the class. Let me close it, and this is how I'm closing it. This is my car class. Very good. After this car class, I have to give my main method. How you will give it, sir? Watch it. I'll come here, and I will tell it as class. The name of the class is demo. I'll open this bracket, and I will tell it as public, static, void. Void what, sir? Main. Very good. This is my main, and inside this, what you will tell? String args. Fantastic. I'll hit enter, I'll open this bracket, I'll come here, and now I will create the object of the car. New car, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. For him, you should give the reference as C and what type it is you should tell. Very good. My car object is ready. What I want to do is, I want to call that getName method. How you do it? Use that reference. C dot what? GetName. It is a method. You use him. This entire thing. You cut it and you should put it inside system.out.println. What I will do, sysout control space, if you hit, you will not get it. Because this is not your Eclipse. This is your notepad. So everything you should only type it. And don't put it in the Slack, sir. Sysout, I'm telling in notepad, sir, I'm not getting. What is the problem with my program? Problem is not with the computer or notepad. Problem is there with you. Okay, anyhow. So notepad is there and let me type it system.out.println. I'll open the bracket, close it, put a semicolon. I'll take my cursor here and put this guy. And that is what I'm showing it to you. Very good. After that, you have opened your main method, 100% you should close it. Let me close it. I'll hit enter. I open the class, 100% you should close it. Let me close it. This is my program, and let me show you how my program is looking like. You have a car class, you have a demo class, and you have a main method. Very good. So now, if I have to execute it, I should save it. Where I will save this program, let me show you that first. I'll go to my, maybe, okay, so I will go to D drive, not D drive, this PC I will go. I'll go to D drive, inside it, D drive, maybe, I'll create a brand new folder itself. New folder, and here I will give the name as a static. That is the name of the folder. What name you want, you can give. Inside this, I'll show my program now. Really, sir, what's this? Let me get my program. This is my program. Let me save it. How you will save it, sir? First, you should take it where you want to store it. This PC I will go, D drive. Inside the static, I will store. You should give the name now. What name you will give? If you want to give the name as demo, you give it. If you want to give the name as car, you give it. You want to give the other name, that also you can give it. Let me give the other name to him. What is the name, sir? It is code. That is the name. It is a Java program. You should tell it as .java. Very good. So now, this is a Java program, so I will tell all files and then I will save it. Your program is saved. Very good. Now, I have to execute it. To execute it, you have to get your command prompt. Let me get my command prompt, and this is how it is looking like. So first and foremost thing, you should take your operating system to where your program is present in. where your program is present in. Inside D drive, let me go there. D colon, hit enter. Inside D drive, there is one folder. What is the folder? Static, you should go. How you will go? Change directory to static. Change folder to static. If in case you hit enter, this is where my operating system is present in. Now, here in your program, you have a program in this path. And now what I should do is, I have to compile. How to compile? Java C. You should give the name of that file. You should not give demo, you should not give car, you should give the name of the file. What is the name of the file? Code.java. Very good. I will give their code.java. If in case I hit enter, see, compilation is successful. Compilation is successful, but what you will get after compilation? Byte codes, which are present in dot class files. So now you ask me, sir, where is this dot class files are present in, sir? Dot class files are present in exactly the same location where your program is present in. Let me take you there. I'll go here. You can notice there two dot class files. One is car, another is demo. Some students don't have trust on me. You know, sir, internally something you did. That is why you got. No problem. I'll show you in front of you itself. I will first delete him. Car, I will delete. Demo, I will take. And I will delete this guy also. Demo and delete. Very good. Only code is there. Am I correct? Awesome. What's this? So let me, okay, put him here. Awesome. What's this? Let me clear my screen. Fantastic. Let me bring him here. Okay. What's this? Let me compile my program Java C code.java. Tell me what is the result, what I will get? Byte codes. Byte codes will be present in dot class files. How many dot class files are getting created here? 2, because you have 2 classes in your program. Watch it. If in case I hit enter, magic will happen here. Really, sir? Watch it. You can notice 2 dot class files. That is car and demo. And both of them are dot class files which got generated just now. It is 10:58. Very good. You have dot class files and now I have to execute it. How will execute it, sir? Java. You should give the dot class file. Which dot class file you will give? You have 2 there. One is car dot class file. You have demo, which is again dot class file. Which one you should give? Demo, because that is where your main method is presented. Really, sir? Watch it. Now, what I will do, Java, I will give it as demo, and after that dot class you should not tell, because Java automatically will put dot class. If in case I hit enter, all of this what I told will happen in the background, and immediately you will get the output in this case, and that is what I am showing it to you. What is the output you are getting there? Null. What is that null? Which is there inside the name variable, which is a default value. Got this, all of you? Is there any doubt in this? No doubts. Outstanding. With this foundation, let me proceed further and try to understand the beautiful topic in Java, that is your static. And this knowledge is very much important. Is there any doubt in this? No doubt. Very good. Let me proceed further now. What you will teach now, sir? Watch it. So what I will do, I will remove this and let me bring this one now. What do you want to bring, sir? I will create one class. And inside this class, I want to ask you this question. What all things you can give inside a class? What all things? Properties you can give. Very good. That is your instance variable you can give. Behavior you can give. Yes, methods you can give. Next what? You can give constructors also. You can give constructor also. Next what? Let me tell you, all of this you have learnt in teaser. That only variables, only methods, only constructors. But your Java is way, way bigger than that. What you are trying to tell, sir? Watch it. Inside your class, you can give him static variables. Inside a class, you can give him static block. Inside a class, you can give him static methods. Inside a class, you can give all of these. Instance variables, instance block, instance methods, and also you can give constructors. All of these things you can give inside a class. But till now, you know about instance variables, instance methods, constructors. But so many things you can give inside a class. Very good. So now you'll ask me, sir, everything is fine, sir, but there's some color change is there. If you look at static, green color you have given. If you look at instance, you have given in the form of blue. Are you playing color here? I'm not playing any color here. Then why you have shown in this way? I have shown you in this way. It is because of a reason. What is that, sir? Green color means this guy. Who is he? He is a class. Blue color means he is an object. Means what, sir? All of these static variables, blocks and static methods are actually known as class members. What members? Class members. All of these instance, blocks, methods, constructors, they belong to an object, and that is why it is known as object members. These are class members, and these are what? Object members. And now you'll ask me, what is the difference between class members, sir? Object members, sir? What you are trying to tell? This much you remember. What is the meaning of class members, I will tell you. What is the meaning of object members also, I will tell you. Got this, all of you? Very good. So with this, let me proceed further now. What is that, sir? Watch it, this is very important. These static variables can be accessed by static block. Very good. These static variables can be accessed by static methods also. Very good. This instance block can access static variables. Not at all a problem. These instance methods can access static variables. Again, not a problem. And not only that, constructors can also access static variables. All of this is valid. All of this is valid. Very good. Not only that, instance block can access instance variables. Very good. Instance methods can access instance variables. Not only that, your constructors can also access instance variables. All of them is valid again. It's valid. Something is not legal. Something is not valid. What is that, sir? Let me show you. This static block and static methods cannot access instance variables. Really, sir? Watch it. Static block and static methods, 100% they cannot access instance variables, which is illegal. And now you'll ask me, sir, I have just shown this. Should I bar heart it? Absolutely no. Because just we have started with static. And what is the meaning of all of this? And what is the meaning of all of this? We have to understand in the static topic now. And are you guys excited and ready for this? Awesome. Let me do this. So for that, let me create one class. How is that, sir, if you ask me? Watch it. Let me show you using an animated way, and after that I will show you that. What is that, sir? So this is my program, and you can notice there, inside a class, what all things you can give, I told. See, this is a class. What is the name of the class? Test. I have opened the bracket and I have closed the bracket. And inside this class, what all things you have given? If you ask me, to start with, what you have given? Static variable. Sir, what is a static variable, sir? I will tell you. You just see. This is a static variable. Who is he? He is a static block. Who is he? He is a static method. Who is he? He is an instance variable. Who is he? He is an instance block. Who is he? Instance method. Who is he? He is a constructor, and that is what you have given inside the class. Okay, sir. Sir, really I can give this way in my program also? Absolutely yes. But if this fellow should work, you should have a main method. And inside the main method, I did something there, you forget about it. But now, whatever the things I have shown you using animated ways, everything is theoretical. Let me make you understand 100% with the help of my program. How is that, sir? Watch it. So what I will do, I will get my Eclipse. Where is your Eclipse, sir? Here we go. This is my Eclipse. And now let me start coding now. How will you code it, sir? Watch it. So all of these things you will learn in a concept known as exceptions, but at this point of time, let me remove all of these lines now. I don't want it. Okay, awesome. Scanner also I don't want, I will remove. Watch it. I'll come here and let me create one class now. This is a class. And the name of the class, I will give it as what? Test. I'll open the bracket, close the bracket. First, let me give static variables there. Question arises, how you will give. Watch it. First, let me give variables. How is that? Int a comma b. What kind of variables these are? Okay. What kind of variables these are? Instance variables. But I don't want them to behave like an instance variables. But instead I want them to behave like a static variable. What should I do then? Very simple. This is my data type. And behind the data type you should go. And behind the data type, you should give another keyword there. And that keyword is what? Static. When you give static, that variable is a static variable. Very good. Next what? Now, see, let me remove this and show you once again. Okay. Are you guys sensing something there? Let me repeat it. Let me put it in this way. Let me remove this. Let me put it this way. Are you guys sensing something there? So your Java is changing this A and B, the way they look. Previously it was Times Roman and now it is italic. The meaning is, Java is trying to tell you that italic in Eclipse means these are static. Sensing this much? Very good. Now, I will come here and I want to give static block also. How to give static block? There are two words there. What is that? First one is static and the next one is block. Let me show it to you. Static, block. Two words are there. First is block, next one is static. Let me show you what do you mean by a block now. What is block in Java? You open the flower bracket, you close this flower bracket, this is known as a block. And now this block should behave like a static block, and that static, I should take it and put it here. And he is known as what? A static block, as simple as that. Really, sir? Let me show you. Now let me get my program now. This is how my program is looking like. I'll open this, I will close it, and here, I want this block to be what? Static block, and static I'm giving there. Let me repeat this one last time. In Java, you open the flower bracket, you close it, he is known as a block. But this block should be a static block. You take this static, put it there. He is a static block. And now what you want to tell it, you tell it. What is the meaning, sir? I'll come inside this static block and I will tell it as system.out.println. And within double quotes, I will tell it as inside. Inside what? Static block. That is what I will tell. Very good, sir. Next word. After inside static block, what I will do is, I will tell it A equal to 10. Some value I am giving. I am telling B equal to 20, like this. Means for A, I have given the value. For B, I have given the value. Very good. He is my static block. Next what, sir? Now in the same class I want to give a static method. You forget about static. What do you mean by a method? Let me tell you. A method is someone who is having a name. I have to give a name. The name is fun1. I'll open this bracket, close it. I will come here, hit enter, open this flower bracket and close it. And now what I will do? I will tell it as system.out.println within double quotes. Inside the method I will tell. Inside the method. That is my method body. Very good. I have to give a return type there, and the return type I will tell it as what? Void in this fashion. If you simply tell like this fellow is having one name. What is that name, sir? This fellow is known as what? Method. You can also call with another name. What is that name? Non-static method. Why the name non-static method? Very simple answer for this simple question. Look at this method. Is static is attached to him? No. That is why it is non-static. And some people will use another name to call him. What is the name, sir? The name is instance method. What is the name? Instance method, and all of these are the names of him. Very good. But now, I don't want him to behave like all of these. Then you want to behave like what, sir? I want him to behave like a static method. Then what I should do? Very simple. You should come behind this method. Behind means what? This is fun1. Behind this you have a return type void. Behind this you will come and you should attach one keyword known as what? Static. He is a static method. Very good. Static method you have given. Let me proceed further and give you the other people of this class. Who are they, sir? Instance variables. What are instance variables? I will tell int x comma y. These are instance variables. I have to leave some space there. I have given it. What do you mean by instance variables? How you define it? Yeah? Instance variables are the variables which are declared directly inside the class. Yes or no? Now look at x and y. Are they not directly declared inside the class? Some students will disagree with this. Because for them, directly means what? X and y should be here only. Then only it is direct. That is not the meaning. X and y directly present in the class means inside the class it can be anywhere. And you can notice there x and y, these are directly inside the class. But instead of giving x and y here, I am giving it here. How does it bother? Awesome. These are my instance variable. Very good. Now, I want to give my instance block now. How is that, sir? Very simple. What do you mean by a block? You open the flower bracket, you close it. This is block. Oh, very good, sir. Now, sir, this should be instance block, sir. What do we do? So, you guys will tell that, sir. Very simple, sir. For static block means, you tell this block, you tell static. This is a static block. Instance block means, this is a block. For him to be instance, you should tell instance there. That is a wrong logic. Because instance block and block both are one and the same. Block, you can also call it as what? Instance block. He is a block, you can also call him as an instance block. Very good. Now, inside this instance block, what I will do, I'll print one statement. System.out.println within double quotes. Inside what, sir? Instance block. Like this I will do. Very good. After that, what I will do? I'll come and tell x equal to 30. Very good. I'll come and I will tell y equal to 40. Like this. This is my instance block. Very good. So next, what you should give? You should give instance method. How you will give, sir? See, let me go to the static method. You can notice there, inside the method I have given. Let me change it. What I will give? Inside the static method, because it is a static method. Very good. I'll come here and I should give a non-static or method or an instance method I should give. How you will give it, sir? Watch it. I will come, I will tell void. The name of the method, I will give it as fun2. I'll open the bracket, close it. Fantastic. I'll open this and I will tell it as system.out of println, and I will tell it as inside. Inside what? Instance method. Like this, I will tell. This is my instance method. Very good. Double M are there. Let me remove one M. Very good. Next what, sir? Sir, what kind of a method is he, sir? He is just known as a method. You can call him as what? Non-static method. You can also call him as an instance method. All of them are one and the same. Very good. You have an instance method which is ready. Fantastic. Let me proceed further. After instance method, what you should give? What you should give? You should give the constructor. How you will give the constructor, sir? Very simple. What I will do? I will give test. Because what is constructor? The name should be same as of class name. The class name is test and the same test I am giving there. He is my constructor. Very good. So now, he will open, close it. What kind of a constructor is he? Zero parameterized constructor. He is not a default. You have given it. It is a zero parameterized. Very good. So now, what I will do, I will print something here. What do you want to print, sir? System.out.println. I will give it as inside constructor. Like this I will give. Very good. He's a constructor. If you want to give public, you give it. If you are not giving public also, it will work. But I told you a good programming practice is constructor should be what? Public, and that is what I'm giving. Got this, all of you? Very good. And you can notice there, this is my entire class, and inside this class, what you have? Static variable. Next, what you have? Static block. Next, you have static method. Next, what you have? Instance variable. Next, what you have? Very good. Instance block. Next, what you have? Instance method. And next, what you have? Constructor. And I've saved my program. You can notice there is absolutely no problem in my program. All of these things you can give it. Very good. So now, I want him to work. If this fellow should work, 100%, you have to code your main method. And where is your main method, sir? My main method is here. I have coded it. How you will code it, sir? Very simple. Watch it. What I want to do is, I want to call static method. What I want to do? I want to call static method. You forget about static method. If I want to call simply a method, what you will do? You want to call a method, simply a method you have to call. How you will call him? Very good. You should create an object of him. New test. For him, use the reference T, and what type it is? Test. Use the reference T dot and you call the method. Am I correct? And this is the calling of the method. This is the calling of a non-static method, and this is the calling of an instance method. If you want to call a non-static method means what? Is a non-static method, yes or no? Void fun2. And this is how the method we have written from the second week of your classes. Am I correct? If you want to call him, it is mandatory to create an object. Now, you forget about non-static method or a method or an instance method. You forget about it. Now I want to call a static method. Where is the static method, sir? The static method is here. I want to call him now. Question arises, how can I call him? Should I follow the same logic what I have followed for a non-static method? Or is something I should do if I am calling the static method also? Very simple, my dear students. These static methods are VIP people. Who are these? VIP. What do you mean by VIP? Very important person he is. And static in Java is very important person. And now, for this very important person, there is one facility for him. Sir, why, sir? Why means, let me give one example. In Karnataka also very important persons are there. Can you please give me some example? Sir, I am only one, sir. Who is VIP? Chief Minister. Think and tell me, for Chief Minister there is one facility, right? What is that facility? Zero traffic. Yes or no? He goes anywhere in Karnataka, he is having a zero traffic. In fact, in the entire India. If he is traveling through here, no vehicle can travel until he goes. Why? Because he is a VIP. In the same way, he is also having one facility in Java. What is that? Zero traffic. Now you'll ask me, what is that zero traffic, sir? Watch it. What I will do is, I'll come to this main method. If you want to call a static method, very simple. The facility is use the class name. Class name means what, sir? Tell me, where is the static method present in? This is the static method fun1. Where it is present in? Inside test. Very good. You tell the test there like this. What is the name of the method? What is the name of static method? Fun1. You just tell dot and you tell it as what? Fun1 in this way. And this is the VIP stager. Non-static methods are like we. Are we VIP? No, we are normal people. For us, normal traffic is there, we should go. Same thing here also. For non-static method, normal. Normal means what? Create an object, then call it. VIP. VIP means what? Zero traffic. That is the facility. Here also VIP. Who is he? Static. For him also there is a facility. What is that? No need of traffic. Traffic means what? Create an object. That traffic is not here. Then what is that? Zero traffic. What is that zero traffic? You use the class name, directly you call the method. This is how you should call a static method. Sensing this much. Great. So previously, when I was playing color, you remember? I told you that static variables are what members? Class members. Why is that? Because directly with the help of class, you can call it. That is why it is a class member. Now, instance methods, what I told? Object members. Why is that? If you want to call, you have to create an object and then only you should call. That is the difference. Getting what I'm trying to tell? Outstanding. What's this? So, awesome. You can notice there that the way fun1 is looking like, it got changed to what? Italic. So, what you should understand is you're calling a static method there. Awesome. Let me proceed further and let me call this guy. Who is he? Fun2 I want to call. What kind of a method is this fun2? Let me put it in this way. Is fun2 a static method? No. Is he a method? He is a method. Is he a non-static method? Yes. Is he an instance method? Yes. All of these you are referring to him. Why is non-static? Static is not there. Why is an instance? Static is not there. He is an instance method. Got this, all of you? Great. So I want to call an instance method. Let me ask you this question. Is he a VIP? No. Means normal traffic is there. What is that normal traffic? Create an object and then call it. Really, sir? Buckle up and watch it. What I will do, I will come here and I will create the object and I will create it new. Whose object you are creating? Test. I will come here, I will tell test. Open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. And for him, I will give the reference. What is the reference? T. And what type it is? Test. And that test, I am telling it in this way. Very good. And after this, I will tell T dot. I will call that method. What is the name of the method? Fun2, and that is what I'm doing. So this is how my program is looking like, and let me show you this entire program. And now it should work. question arises how it will work. Who will execute first? Who will execute second? At the end of this program, what output I will get is what I will tell you. But not today. If you want to know, you have to attend my tomorrow's class. You will get to know how you will execute. Getting this much? So till then, see you. And one thing, you don't have any programming class today.